Have you checked your credit card balance lately and wondered how it climbed so high during the summer? Maybe your family took a vacation, spent a few weekends out of town, signed the kids up for activities, or ate out more often than usual. None of the purchases seemed huge on their own, so using a credit card probably felt manageable at the time. The statement arrived, and now you're looking at a higher balance, a larger payment, and interest charges that make it harder to see how you will pay everything down. Summer spending can place extra pressure on a family's budget, especially when credit card debt was already there before the season began. You may have entered the summer carrying balances from earlier in the year. The vacation, meals, gas, hotel stays, and other expenses added another layer to debt you were already trying to manage. Many people tell themselves they will catch up with the next paycheck arrives. Then the paycheck comes and it has to cover mortgage or rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, and everything else your household needs. The credit card receives another minimum payment, but the balance barely changes. A few weeks later, another unexpected expense shows up. Your car needs repair, your air conditioner stops working, or a medical bill arrives. You use the credit card again because there is very little money left after paying your regular bills. Before long, the credit card is doing more than paying for summer activities. It's helping you cover basic living expenses. So how do you know when your credit card debt is becoming difficult to manage? One sign is when your paycheck consistently runs out before the month ends. You find yourself using a credit card for groceries, gas, utility bills, or other expenses your income used to cover. Another sign is when you take payments every month, yet the balance stays close to the same amount or continues to rise. Interest rates can consume a large portion of your payment, which leaves you feeling as though you are paying without making meaningful progress. You may also notice yourself moving balances between credit cards, opening another account to create more available credit, or using one card while trying to pay down another. These choices can provide temporary breathing room, but the total amount you owe may continue to grow. Credit card debt can also affect more than your budget. You may avoid checking your balances because it creates anxiety. You may lose sleep while trying to figure out which bill to pay first. Money conversations with your spouse or family may become tense because everyone feels the pressure. Many people wait until they have missed several payments or run out of available credit before speaking with a bankruptcy attorney. They assume they must reach a financial crisis before they are allowed to ask questions. You don't have to wait until you are completely out of money. Scheduling a Chapter 7 bankruptcy consultation gives you an opportunity to understand your legal options before the financial pressure becomes harder to manage. A consultation does not require you to file bankruptcy. The purpose is to review your circumstances, answer your questions, and help you understand whether Chapter 7 could be an option for you. During the consultation, we will talk about your income, monthly expenses, assets, and the debts you are carrying. We will also discuss what has been happening in your household and what has made it difficult for you to keep up. You may have questions about whether you qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. You may worry about your home, your car, or other property. You may also wonder what filing could mean for your credit and your financial future. A consultation gives you a place to ask these questions and receive information based on your circumstances. You do not have to depend on advice from social media, friends, or family members whose financial situation may be different from yours. Credit card debt can become overwhelming gradually. 1 month feels tight, then several more expenses get added, and eventually you realize your payments are taking up a large part of your income. Summer spending may have brought your financial situation to your attention, but the deeper concern may be debt you have been trying to manage for a long time. Speaking with an attorney about Chapter 7 bankruptcy may provide a path forward, even when you decide filing is not the right option. You will leave the consultation with more information about where you stand. I'm Kim Clenney. My law partner, Debora Palmer, and I help individuals and families across Alabama understand their Chapter 7 bankruptcy options. Schedule your free Chapter 7 bankruptcy consultation today.